Hey guys, welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about the constants in PHP. You can define a constant by using the define function or by using the constant keywords outside a class definitions. The constants are one type of variables which we can define for any class with keyword constant. The value of these variables cannot be changed anyhow after assigning. Once you assign the value of that, so that value cannot be changed. So this is the logic of that constant. Here I just write PHP, close this PHP tag right here. Okay, now here I have to write class is ABC. Now here I have to write constant, the constant is x, and the x which is equal to, here I just write that this is constant. Okay, and then close this code right here. Now here I just call this constant right here with the help of, you can see here ABC class. Then here you can see that I have to write ratios, and then here variable x, and then close this code right here. Okay, so now I am just accessing or running this code. So here you can see that this is the constant right here. So if we are inside the class, then the value of the constant can be get using the self keyword, but accessing the value outside the class, you have to use the scope resolutions operator. Hope so you understand now that how we can get the value of the constant right here, which is very simple. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.